When dealing with arrays in TypeScript, most of the time you see people define the type like this. We have here, for example, users, which is an array of type strings. And we know this is an array because of the square bracket, and string here, the string keyword, means that the array contains strings, right? And we can go on to say users, for example, and now define our element here. So Halima, or so on. But as soon as we try to put a number or any other type, it is going to complain. So most of the time, this is how you see people do it. But this is not the only way to do it, right? What else we can do to achieve the same thing here is to use the array keyword and then pass the type in like this. And as you can see, TypeScript is not complaining. This is doing exactly the same thing. And if you try to pass a number, it is going to tell us now we need a string here, not a number, right? Let me give you another example. Let's say we have a type profile here, right? And profile has two elements, for example, a name, which is of type string, and then age of type number. And we want to have an array of profiles, and we can do something like this, okay? So profiles, and can say profile, and then curly bracket, square bracket, sorry, and then you can see this works fine. So this tells us this variables is of type profiles, but it is an array of profile, right? Instead of doing using the bracket here, as we did earlier with our array keyword, we can do the same thing and pass profile. And you can see this works fine. This works the same, right? So the next time you see people write code like this in TypeScript, in code bases, especially if you're new to TypeScript, don't panic. It just means this is an array. Okay.